Following the instructions in the pattern for the right or left hand, knit over the correct number of stitches. Next, you're going to purl make 1. This is the start for the front legs of the spider. Now we're going to purl 3 stitches together. Then we're going to make the front legs on the other side of the spider with a purl make 1. Knit to the end of the row. The back side of your work doesn't look like much, but this gives you an idea of what it should look like. The video showing you how to make the head and front legs of the spider is coming up next.